Alright guys, welcome to the Picaro Maiden. Got no wind right now, so we'll take off our normal direction. So we use the same program as the previous Picaro. So we should be really close as far as numbers and everything go. So, fuel level's good.
97%.
All right, taking off. Gear up, flaps away. So we'll just get some elevation to begin with. We'll see how it trims out at normal flight mode. Okay, she's climbing a little bit, so I'm going to add some trim. So about 40% throttle, 25% throttle.
Miles per hour.
Off throttle.
Running. 56.1 miles per hour. 8, 7, running.
Little blip of throttle.
45,
Off throttle.
3, 1, 41.8 miles per hour. 33.3
Nice.
miles per hour. 16.
Flies good. Very solid. Very solid. We're going to get some more flights on it today, but we'll do a little bit of a talk through here in a bit on setup and everything and some adjustments, but very impressive. Elite Aerosports, that's a really nice plane.
Little rebel hot.
Thank you, Stace. Oh, no problem, Chad. No problem. You okay? All good? Just sucks.
Is that your turbine?
Huh? You just did a snap. what a plane. I say that very honestly. It is outstanding. If you've ever flown a CARF Ultra Flash, this initially felt a lot like the Ultra Flash, but I did some really hard pulls on this thing trying to find the limit and could not high speed stall this aircraft. My Ultra Flashes that I've flown in the past, yes, I have high speed stalled them. Accurate, amazing, flies slow, flies fast. With the 160 in here, at our elevation, we ended up getting 202 miles an hour on some full throttle passes. So with our elevation, this is running like a 130 is what it's running at our elevation of 3,300 feet. So that reduces the power on the turbine. But great setup, the single battery worked awesome. All the servos, all the control surfaces, the engine, all that stuff was amazing. So thumbs up to Elite Aerosports. You guys made a beautiful aircraft when you made this Picaro 2.0. If you're thinking about one, definitely encourage you to get one. I see another one of these in my future, and I know why my friend David owns 2 of them, so phenomenal. So thanks guys for watching the Maiden video. We'll see you in the next video.